got the little angel. Mama little pearl, tell me say she ready for the world. Walking out, good girl, gone bad. Good girl, gone bad. Good girl, gone bad. And she don't know what she have, driving the family mad. Good girl, gone bad. Good girl, gone bad. Good girl, gone bad. And she don't know what she have, driving the family mad. Who can't hear them, I go feel me say. When your finger mash up, I cry me say. Who can't hear them, I go feel me say. When your finger mash up, I cry me say. Pull up your pants and put it by your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. Pull up your pants and put it by your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. In my days that me I meditate, so me study for the test, me don't procrastinate. Early to school, me not have time to wait. Sit down in an exam, I might be great. Me don't get nothing less than 98. When school over, me never abide the gate. This good girl can be the leader of the flock. This good boy, and grades not go drop. This good girl could be headed straight to the top. These are wise words coming straight from Knox.
Wow. Wow. Joy. Wow. Knox. Knox, me never ready for that a while ago. That performance, shell. It was so good. At one point in time, it's like me just hearing say something when it say broke out, and the broke out just kick with every wax in my ears. Like it was just so good. I mean, me don't know where to start. Like this was just such an impressive performance. The girl, the lead girl with the acting, boy, tremendous job. The beatbox youth, the people them round the back, were contribute to the harmony. It was just so good. And big up for putting this arrangement together. It was really, really good.
Well, Knox has come in to be one of my favorite choirs from the beginning of the competition. And you didn't change that at all today. It was an excellent arrangement. I love the surprises and the drama. And the things that you did with the song. For instance, you did a lot of harmony, but then you had some call and answer things, and then you went into unison with pull up your pants. That part was just really, really good. Knox, I have very high hopes for you with this competition, and I think you have set yourself apart.
Thank you.